So we continue to talk about strangers and some other letters that look different and they sound also different if we compare English and Russian language. So this is the letter Y, and the sound is Y plus E. Actually, in most of Russian words, this letter will give us two sounds, Y plus E, like combination of these two letters in English word yes, yes. The letter Yo, again, it gives us two sounds, Y plus O, yo, yo, like these two letters in the word York. Next word, next letter, U, also gives us two sounds, Y plus U, Y plus U, like we read this letter in the word use, for example. The letter Ya, gives us two sounds, Y plus A, Ya, like in this English word. And also we have two signs, as I already told you. They don't give us any sounds, and hard sign makes previous consonant harder, and soft sign logically makes the previous consonant softer. Sometimes it is very important because if we add soft sign, for example, meaning of this word will be completely different. So actually these letters are very important in Russian language, even though they don't give any sounds. So let's try to compare. Let's read our new letters. E, Ye, O, Yo, U, You, A, Ya. What's the logic? First letters give us only one sound. A, O, U, E, O, U, A, right? But second sounds, second letters, give us two sounds, like Y plus vowel. I will read second ones once again. Ye, Yo, You, Ya. So they will sound like this. And also one important rule how to read these letters. So these letters Ye, Yo, You, Ya will sound like Ye, Yo, You, Ya. I mean they will give us two sounds like you see here in this transcription. In the beginning of words, after soft sign, or after another vowels. For example, Yel, Yosh, Yuk, Ya. In another positions, they will sound like these letters, like first letters in these pairs. So that's it. In the beginning of word, like in this word, for example, Yel, Yosh, Yuk, Ya, after soft sign or after another vowel, they will sound like you see in this transcription. Ye, Yo, You, Ya. So let's continue. Let's read and try to memorize some new words. Yuk, Yuk, Yel, Yel, Yosh, Yosh, Ya, Ya. Ya means I, sometimes me, depends on context. Ya. So that's it.